Here we have a gas gun series, 6mm BB bullets only, 1.1 schedule, non-blowback, training purpose only, powerful. So I have took out the box because it was having a itchy fit to get out. So here's a little glimpse of it, and then here's the gas for it, and then here's the bullets. So they say 20 instead of 6, just right there. It says there 6mm, and you do get instructions of it, tell you how to do and how to clean it, how to strip it and put it back together to clean it. And I thought it would have come with a case with a thing in it, but it came with a case with no phones or nothing, so I'm gonna have to look for some foam to put in there. Right, it's a good fit, but the only thing that don't fit is the glass bottles and the BB bullet don't fit. That's all. So should have bought a bigger one, but it came with a gun. I paid £55 for it. So here's your load, safety load. That's to shoot. That's off, so you can't shoot. Pull this down for your mag to be taken out. Make sure when you fill it up though with gas, you fill it up so it's like this, so it doesn't go everywhere. You can quite spick and span.